In this video guide, I will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the unwanted browser extension that is called Your Package Parcel Tracking. Your Package Parcel Tracking. So this is an unwanted browser extension that is currently promoted through special websites. Some of them are very deceptive. They may force you into downloading and installing some unwanted browser extensions, like this one, and the pop-ups may indicate that this is some sort of mandatory browser update. So if this extension, Your Package Parcel Tracking, is installed, the extension may start displaying the great multitude of advertisements on your computer screen. It may also open new browser tabs and also redirect you to a lot of other shady websites of a very bad reputation. So please be very careful. If you have noticed that this particular extension was mistakenly installed into your Google Chrome browser, it is much better to get rid of it. Otherwise, as we have said, there will be more ads attacking your screen periodically. To remove this extension from the Google Chrome, you should access the menu, go to More Tools, then Extensions. In case you find this extension active, you need to deactivate it and then remove the extension completely. This should fix the issue very well. I would also recommend that you additionally investigate your computer. In particular, you may check the control panel, look for any suspicious programs which could be mistakenly installed, and uninstall them. To make sure that your system is free of other threats, I strongly recommend scanning with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and the best place to get it is on this site, combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and then start researching your system to detect and eliminate all other infections. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.